Thank you so much, everybody. My name is Nyein. I'm CEO of ThitsaWorks. I'm joined by now Aung, who is the product manager for the product that we are going to be presenting today. And we are also joined by Candy, who is sitting in the audience, our CFO. So the brief introduction about ThitsaWorks, right? Because some of you might not know ThitsaWorks. We are a Singaporean-based fintech, and we focus on financial inclusion-related projects. We are a certified member of Singapore Fintech Association, and we are proud to announce that we've been shortlisted as a 2024 the Emerging Fintech of 2024 in the Singapore Fintech Association. We're very proud of that. We are proud community members of 3 open source communities: Mojalu Foundation, Interledger Foundation, clearly, and the MIFOS community. We see those 3 communities as the leading open source communities for the financial inclusion, and we use the technology from those communities, we contribute to them, and we drive financial inclusion using those tech stack. We are very proud of that, and we are also the grantee of Interledger Foundation to build the product that we are going to be showcasing to you. So this product that we are calling is ThitsaX, right? Just the side note, Thitsa is a Sanskrit word. It's a very old word that was used thousands of years ago. It means truth. Just a side note. X, what we want to do is that we want it to be something that is connecting everyone everywhere. And this product grew out of frustration that we have in implementing payment-related projects. We have been deploying Mojalu in different countries for their payment switches at the national level or sub-national level, and we have been working with a lot of financial institution members, right, to integrate their payment solutions. And there are a lot of frustration that we face when we are implementing this project. The biggest frustration that we face is the interoperability, and what we want to do is that we want to provide a solution that is so simple for the financial institutions to connect to the different payment networks and different payment solutions in their country. We see that as a game changer. And because we focus on financial inclusion, what it means is that we work with a lot of financial institutions that are serving underbanked or unbanked customers. Most of them are microfinance institutions, SECOs, non-bank financial institutions, etc. And many of them cannot participate in the payment switch, even if there is one. So out of all the financial institutions that we have dealt with, we group them into 3 categories. So the first category is the one on my left, where there is no payment switch in the country, or even if there's a payment switch, they cannot connect to that because they are not bank. They are microfinance institutions that are not allowed to connect to a payment switch that is in the country. Right? There's no settlement solution or settlement bank for them. The only solution that they have is that they need to connect directly with the wallet if they want to digitize their payments. If an MFI wants to digitize their loan repayment, the only thing that they can do is to connect directly with the wallet. And it's very expensive for them. They cannot sustain that. And some have tried, and it takes them a long time. It's not efficient, etc. So we want to come in and provide a solution for them, right? And Aung will show you the demo of what we did there. The second group of financial institutions is in the middle, right? This is a more typical kind of financial institutions where we see that as an ideal situation. There's a payment switch in the country. They can connect to that. There's a settlement bank that handles the settlement operations, and they have access to the open payment network. That's an ideal situation. I wish every country is like that, but the reality is that it is not, right? What we see is that most of the countries, because we work in emerging countries, fall into the other 2 categories on the left or the right side. On the right side, what we have also seen is that they are financial institutions. They are licensed financial institutions, but they do not have a core banking system, or even if they have a core banking system, it is not API enabled, it is not hosted online. That allows them to connect to a payment network, right? So even if there's a payment switch in the country, they cannot use that. and there's no settlement operation as well. So the only thing that they can do, right, is to do the transaction on a cash basis. So we have also built, again, with the support of the Interledger Foundation, a offline payment portal for those organizations to use. It's a secure web application. It's a very simple application. We'll also show you a demo of that. But it is secure. It has a maker-checker rule where those financial institutions can come in. They can upload their payment instructions on a bulk payment, and then we connect that with the payment switch or the wallet so that we can help them digitize their payments as much as possible. Just to give you a scale, right? In Myanmar, we have 170 microfinance institutions. Out of that, only about 40 of them have core banking solutions. And out of those 40 core banking solutions, only 28 of them can connect with the payment switch or a payment wallet. Right? So out of 170 microfinance institutions that is serving millions of people, only about 28 of them can connect with the payment switch through their core banking systems. So the rest of them will be left out. So what we have as our mission is that we want to connect everybody. We want to connect the financial institutions, as long as they are licensed financial institutions, right, servicing their customers. We want to help digitize their payments. So that's the main the solution behind that. So this ThitsaX solution, right, that sits in the middle has 3 components. So we have a connector that allows them to connect directly with mobile wallets and the core banking solutions or enterprise solutions or whatnot. And we also have the integration tool. If there's a payment switch in the country, we can also integrate with their payment switch. So that's another channel, right, for them to connect. And we have an offline payment portal. If you don't have the core banking system or systems that allows you to connect with the payment switch, they can use the offline payment portal that we have built for them. So ThitsaX sits in the middle, and we want this to be the connector for all types of financial institutions to digitize their payments. So with that, I am going to, we're very happy, right, to announce that just before coming to this summit, we signed an agreement with the largest mobile wallet provider in Myanmar, right, who are servicing about 90% of the population, right? So that's a huge coverage. We signed an agreement with them to use ThitsaX to connect with the microfinance institutions to collect the repayment through this wallet. So the ThitsaX has been released as an MVP. We will start implementing the pilot phase with Wave Money starting October, and we hope to go commercial in early next year. We have also released the offline payment portal, right, as a MVP, and we have tested with the 2 MFIs, but there are more MFIs who are interested so that we can roll this out to other financial institutions as well. So with that said, I'm going to ask Aung to go through the ThitsaX connector, the bilateral connection, and explain to you how it works.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Yep. This is Aung again. As you can see, this is the workflow of the cycle data, and we can see that each data is created. We set it as a separate group of environment. So there first we need to create a own separate environment to connect. Yeah. So for the 2 parties, the sender and receiver, to connect, they just need to onboard each other on both sides, so they can make the transaction. This is with only 3 main API calls to make the payment. And the first one is the lookup phase. This is just to check the KYC of the customer information of receiver MFI. So this is the lookup one. If the customer is there, they can do the next phase. This we call code phase. In this page, the sender need to put the amount, and we also calculate the fee in this phase. And after this time, they just need to do the transfer, just confirm there. payment. As soon as they make confirmation, their money will be instantly transferred to the receiver. Yep. This that's simple and only need 3 API call. Yep.
Do you want to show the demo of it now? Or?
Yep. I think for the demo purpose, this just a demo wallet and not a dual wallet. We already created 2 accounts to transfer the money. This is the B2B use case. We will transfer. This not say. This means for the not saying the FSP. Not say, this the difference. This wallets are using the different system. So we will do with a star and to transfer the money. We just need to. Let me check. Sorry, I can't remember the name. So we just need to put the phone number, this phone number or another receiver, and we have to select the DFSP and the currency, of course. Yes, after is now we are using the we said this number, but it's actually the size connector. So that this the local face it down. For the gold base, we just need to put amount and transfer the money. If it is, then we just need to confirm. Yeah, it is done. Transfer. The money will be transferred to the receiver. This is the B2B use case. This is just simple. This is the side connector. We already. Yep. The user can check their transaction in their own wallet, and the receiver side, I mean the FSP, can check their transaction on this UI. This for the receiver. Yep. And they can check the transaction of their user by clicking there. Yeah. And they also can download the report here. So this is just that. And for the repayment case, we have other Kubernetes system and receiver side. So this process will be the same, but since we are sending this repayment, we are sending to the MFI. We need to add the loan account, not just phone number. So let me copy again. This is phone number. Yep. This is account number and the FSP. You need to choose the currency and they send in the money. By connecting the CBS, the manager is they can see the amount, exact amount to pay. Yeah, but I will pay the just little amount this time. Transfer. And the money will go to the Kubernetes system. Then we need to reflect them. Here is, our transparent amount will be there. Yes, this is the repayment use case. Connecting with the Kubernetes system. And the final step is our offline portal. We can also do the repayment as well as the disbarment in display. Just for a quick, this the back disbarment uploader page. We also have the mega and checkout rule. So this is the mega rule to disbar to make the disbarment. They just need to upload. First, they have to choose what to do, and this is the hub that connected with the offline payment portal and the FSP. And this meant to be the wallet and currency. Finally, we just need to choose the file. To show that I will show you the disbarment file. The sender side, the receiver side need to. This is the, in this case, offline portal will be the sender and the demo wallet will be the receiver. So this the information that need to send to disbar the transaction. So this will be the phone number and the other information and the amount. So after uploading the file, this is the mega. So after uploading the file, of course, checker need to approve the file to transfer the money. Sure. With some note. We put the two-step verification to make the transaction, so we need to put the verification code to make the transaction. Yep. And this is the transfer, disbarment and the repayment. For the repayment, since this is not a co-banking system, it's just able to make the transaction. So the loan officer from the microfinance need to declare declare the customer and how much amount they need to repay. So I already, just like this disbarment, I already uploaded the repayment file to pay. So just like before. We can pay using the phone number. Yes, the repayment use case ID. Sorry, I need to select the FSP. This is the declared amount from the offline portal, so we just need to transfer the money. There is no need to put the amount and then confirm. So there we can check the amount. In the info. Yes, I actually made upload the two record and all two are already paid in here. Yes.
This is it?
This is it, yeah.
So this is the demonstration of what I was trying to explain to you earlier. And like what Chester said, I did the easy part. It was not the hard part. I did the easy part about introduction, and this is the hard part. This is Aung's first public presentation of this product. Thank you so much, Aung. Yes. Yeah. We want to add more modules to this. There's like so much extension that we can add, like fraud, management services, the settlement services. There are many other things that we can add, but we want to start simple. We want to make it really efficient and cheap, right, for those financial institutions who cannot connect to the payment network. Thank you very much for your attention. If there's any question, we'll be happy to answer.